In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy pre-loved luxury watches on eBay, ranging from top brands like Rolex and Cartier and more. If you're in the market for a stunning timepiece, second-hand can be the way to go, but there are definitely a few insider tips to keep in mind to ensure a smooth and secure experience. First, head over to ebay.com. There, you can begin your search by typing in the specific watch brand and model you're interested in. For example, if you're after a Rolex Submariner or perhaps a Cartier tank watch for men, simply include the word pre-owned in your search query. This little detail will help you target listings that match the luxury grade you're aiming for while being previously cherished. The next important step is to apply some targeted filters. You should start by filtering for the condition. Make sure you select pre-owned to only see watches that are gently used but still retain their luxury charm. This can often bring the price down significantly compared to new models. Speaking of price, it's pivotal to set your budget at this point. Define your price range based on what you're comfortable spending. This will keep you from getting too carried away and will narrow down the listings to those within your budget. Now let's talk about sellers, the key to your buying journey on eBay. Aim to purchase only from sellers who have a feedback score of 98% or higher, accompanied by over 100 ratings. This solid feedback is your assurance of their reliability and commitment to customer satisfaction. Another aspect to consider is how long the seller has been a member of eBay. Ideally, you want someone who has been active for at least a year. This experience often correlates with a better understanding of managing transactions smoothly. When it comes to the listings themselves, make sure you inspect the photos. You're looking for multiple high-definition images that cover all angles of the watch. This way you can get a real sense of the condition of the timepiece you're considering. In the description you should find details like the serial number, model reference, movement type, original parts, and any accompanying paperwork. This information is crucial to verifying the authenticity and value of the watch. Be cautious and avoid sellers who don't allow returns, use only stock photos, or suggest completing the transaction outside of eBay. These are significant red flags that could signal a scam. Finally, when it's time to make the purchase, insist on using eBay's checkout system. Avoid any request to use off-platform payments at all costs, as these transactions are not covered by eBay's buyer protection. By following these steps, you can confidently navigate eBay and find that perfect luxury watch to add to your collection. Happy shopping!